How to fix Spotify not playing music. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix if Spotify isn't playing music, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if Spotify isn't actually playing music, what do you do to fix them? Well, it depends upon where you're using, whether you're using on mobile or your laptop or whatever else. If you're using it on your browser, the first thing I want you to check is whether or not the internet connection is working just fine. So if you have Wi-Fi, just try to switch to some other Wi-Fi and then see if that actually helps you solve your problem. After that, just clear the cache files of your browser. So click the three dots option, then just go to settings, then just go to privacy and security, go to clear browsing data, make sure to select cache images and files, hit the clear data option, and then now you'll be able to go ahead and then clear the cache files. After that, just try to reload Spotify on your web and you should be good to go. Now if you're on mobile and so on, you might want to turn off data saver and do other things which you'll find within the settings tab over here. So you have to go ahead and turn off data saver. But for other users, hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.